Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about integration. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u square because I want to cancel the square root. So I need to select about u square in here. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got to u du. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 gone here, so we can find the value of u. So u equals to number 0. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 gone here, and we got about u equals to number 1. So the bounds does not change. We put this one gone here. The s we change for this one. So the square root of u square, that is about u. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to the square root of 1 minus u. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. So this one we have 1 minus u. So because we have u, so I will put this one go to the left, this square go to the right. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and this one we got about du. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one that is about 2t. Now we need to change the bounds. When u equals to number 0, that is from here. So we put number 0 gone here. So we have t equals to number 1. When u equals to number 1, so we put number 1 gone here, and we have t equals to number 0. So number 0 we change for number 1. Number 1 we change for number 0. The square root, that is about t. About u, that is about this one. Du, that is about this one. So number 2, with number 2 we have number 4. T and t we have t square. So t square multiplied by number 1 and t square in here. So the integration of t square, that is about t to the power of 3 over 3. The next one, that is about t to the power of 5 over 5. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 0. Because we have the formula in here. So we put number 0 gone here, number 1 gone here. So negative and negative, we have positive. So we calculate this one and we got that is about 8/15. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.